What is up YouTube? Carlo here. Welcome to the vlog. This is the channel where we talk about sneakers, life, and tech. And for this episode, I'm going to share with you and do an on-feet review of my current favorite Air Force One. It is ridiculously, hard to find, super rare, and it will cost you an arm and a leg to get. Now, before we get started, let me just give a quick shout out to the sponsor of today's video. Of course, I'm talking about Rose Gold and Black. Rose Gold and Black is a premium men's accessories maker based out of Australia, and the great news is they ship worldwide. And the even better news is that they're having their March Madness sale where you can get up to 20% off, and if you use the code Carlo, you get an additional 10% off your entire order. Now, stocks are running out very fast, so if you want to get necklaces like this one, which is their minimal bar necklace, or their beaded bracelets, please do click the link down below, shop the selection that I've curated for you, and use the code Carlo. Guys, check them out, Rose Gold and Black. Quick reminder, as much as possible, please do stay at home now that we have the community quarantine here in the Philippines. You will do everybody a favor by staying at home so that you don't spread the coronavirus or COVID-19. So yeah, guys, as much as possible, stay at home, wash your hands, be healthy, and be a blessing to others by staying at home. Stay at home, stay at home, stay at home. This is a triple white Air Force One, and I actually got this for a steal. I ended up buying this for a little less than $20, mainly because I got it from a thrift shop, or in the Philippines we call it an ukay-ukay. So I picked this up I think around 2 years ago. I can't remember exactly when, but I've been wearing it often, and it has been well restored and cleaned several times already. So this one, $20, less than 1,000 pesos. This is the Off-White Air Force One OG. And this one I got, I think, a little over 40,000 pesos. So that's $800. But it is currently selling anywhere from 80,000 to 100,000 pesos already. So the prices of this particular pair has gone dramatically up in the last few years. I'm super happy to actually have two pairs of this, one for wearing, one for investment purposes. But even then, having paid like 40,000 for it, I can easily sell this, if not for higher, at least the same price, despite having wear time already with this sneaker. But today, I'm going to show with you one of the rarest and most expensive, hard to get white Air Force Ones in the market today. I am talking about the Nike Off-White Air Force One Complexcon, of course, by Virgil Abloh. This came out in Complexcon, I think, around 2 years ago, or maybe last year. I can't remember the exact time, but it was to commemorate the 35th year anniversary of the Nike Air Force One. And that's why Virgil, when he made the sneaker, he stayed true to the leather upper of the Air Force One. For example, if you take a look at this Air Force One, which came out with this the 10 collection, the materials that they use for the upper are very different. Multiple textures, multiple feels, different types of materials, from suede to mesh to just a variety of materials. Here, it's almost all leather except for his signature exposed foam for the tongue, and of course the marks, Air in quotation mark, the tag over here, the exposed stitching along that really bright swoosh, and of course the address that you can find on the medial side of the shoe. Now, obviously, just by looking at the sneaker, you won't think that it is expensive because, hey, it just has a shiny swoosh and then Air in quotation marks and that orange tag along the side of the shoe. But this sneaker actually sells for over 100,000 pesos, so over $2,000, depending on the size. There are even some pairs selling for 3,000 to 4,000 US dollars, or that's almost 200,000 pesos for a pair of this, which is insane considering this is just a normal Air Force One, which almost has the same materials, but this one just sells for less than 1,000 pesos or $20. It's just mind-blowingly insane how branding and hype can change the prices and the desirability of a shoe or any product for that matter. So why did I buy this one? Well, to be honest, I am a collector of off-white sneakers. I'm a huge fan of Virgil Abloh. There was actually a point where I had the 10 from his first collection, and I bought every single Nike Off-White collaboration that came out after. But through the months and through the years, I've realized that there are only some sneakers that I really gravitate towards too. And that's why I sold most of the Nike Off-White collaboration. edition. For the off-white Air Force Ones though, I have the OG, I have the black, I have the Volt, I have this one, and of course we have the MCAs over here, which are also kind of hard to get. The only thing that I'm missing right now are I think it's the MoMAs, the one in black. They are ridiculously even more expensive than this one, and I don't think I'll be able to cop a pair anytime soon because from just based on StockX prices, they are selling. Are you ready? For 15,000 US dollars. Of course, that's just because people are pricing them high. I think I can eventually find one at around 2,000 if I'm lucky. So do I recommend buying hype shoes like those? Well, if you are a collector, if you are looking for investments, then why not? But if you are just, somebody who just sees them as shoes, you don't see them as art, you don't see them as an investment, then you just go with your typical triple white Air Force One. They're good, they're high quality, they will last you a good lifetime, and they're not ridiculously expensive. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is actually our very short vlog for today. I hope you guys are all having a great weekend, and as I mentioned earlier, please do as much as possible stay home, don't go out, don't be a carrier for the coronavirus, don't be a carrier for COVID-19. If there's no need for you to go out, stay at home. And with that said, I hope you guys have a good week ahead. Peace, God bless, what's up, boom.